Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I wanted to share my skincare routine for acne or problematic skin. So I will be going through all the products and showing you how to use them. Let's go. Okay, so the first thing that I do is to cleanse my face with the CeraVe Acne Control Cleanser. It has 2% salicylic acid acne treatment, and this cleanser is gentle for daily use. It won't strip your face from its natural oil, so that's a go. So a point to note: when I'm cleansing my face, I use the 1 minute rule, which is you basically cleanse your face for 1 minute. So to get all that dirt and gunk that you have been wearing all day, say you're wearing your sunscreen, your makeup. Yeah. Before cleansing my face, I'm going to wash my hands.
Testify for you. I do that 3-4 times a night. Testify for you. I thought I like you, that bitch. I do it. All that I'm around, you scared of you. I'm not. As long as you joking, now in for me. I ain't got it. My bitch skin, do it. I do bodies. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. Tell the truth, I look better under you. I can't live.
So step 2, we are going to exfoliate, and I'll be using Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant, and it has salicylic acid in it.
Drops I ride with you, I feel like Scarface. That wave with the bob, I'll be your main one.
So after exfoliating my face, I usually go in with 1 or 2 of my serums from The Ordinary. And a very important point to note, guys, is do not use, after exfoliating your skin, do not go in with another potent serum that may cause further irritation, because exfoliators in themselves are irritating by nature. So this night I actually went in with my Azelaic acid, but this may cause further irritation and we don't want that. So just a point to note. Okay, so benefits of Azelaic acid on its own are: it fights acne, it reduces dark spots, and it evens your skin tones. So this is a great product to have for persons who have acne prone skin. If you wish to use a serum after exfoliating your face, Dr. Alexis Stevenson here on YouTube, she recommends using niacinamide or any other serums that are less irritating, meaning they do not have any HA or BHA ingredients. So essentially something that is soothing to the skin, like a hyaluronic acid, which is very hydrating. So as you can see, step 3 is to moisturize, and I use the CeraVe moisturizing cream. This moisturizing cream is rich and non-greasy, and it is formulated with 3 essential ceramides, which locks in the skin's moisture and help maintain your skin's protective barrier.